Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to install mini twins on my natural hair. My first attempt of installing mini twins on my natural hair. If you want to know how I achieve it, keep watching. Welcome back. This is my tools to section the hair, my white tooth comb, the tangle brush and my hair pomade. I'm starting with the fresh wash hair. I've already washed my hair, moisturized the hair. I'm losing out this section, so I will go off camera to take down the remaining parts. After taking the hair down, this is how my hair is looking currently. I'm trying to section the hair in first section, but it's difficult. I will go off camera. After section the hair in first section, this is how the hair is look like. So I will start working at my back first. So I'll take a little portion of my hair, use mirror. I have two mirror. I'm using small mirror at front, big mirror at back, so that it can be easy for me to see what I'm working with. So I have packed the hair. I'm not looking for professional pattern, so I'll take a little portion of the hair. I'll use my detangle brush and brush it so that to be more smoother. I will start braiding the root first. I will braid the root first. After I braid the root like 2 to 3 braid, I will start twisting the hair. I will divide it into equal parts. Start twisting the hair. I'm making loose mini twins. So this is my first time to install mini twins on my hair. I have not installed mini twins on my hair before. In fact, I have not installed any twins on my hair before. This is my first time to install it. Let me give myself a challenge to see if I can able to achieve this hairstyle. But I thank God that I made it. So at this point now, I'm novice, so I was thinking how this hair is going to, whether this hair will come out well or not. But I just make up my mind, anyhow it is, I must film this video and I must make this hair by myself. So keep watching. At this point, I was super proud of myself. Do you see that hair that I made? God, I could not believe it that I made this hairstyle. I was super proud of myself. Anyway, my hair is already dry, so I already hydrate my hair with my herbal tea. After I hydrate the hair, I will use my butter to moisturize the hair so that I will not install dry hair, so that my hair will not break off when I'm storing it. So moisturize your hair before installing your hair. Make sure your hair is moisture so that you will not experience hair breakage at the process of installing your protective style. So I lose the hair. Do you see what I'm doing there? The hair is not equal. So as I start with the hair, I find out that they are not equal parts. So I run my hand. So after running my hand, the hair now gets equal. So I finish up twisting the hair. I don't know where the knowledge come from. I just did it and it's work. So at this point now, I'm super happy that I'm making this hair style. Hand to part the hair. I'm not using comb again to part the hair. I only use comb to part the normal line that I want to work with, but to collect the little portion I'm plaiting, I'm making with, I'm not using comb to part it. I'll use my hair to collect the little portion, divide it in 3 sections, braid the roots. After braiding the root, I'll twist the remaining parts, divide it into equal parts and twist the remaining parts. After twisting it, I'll use my hand to coil the hair. Do you see? Oh God. I'm super proud of myself. Please, if you are like me that you are scared of installing your hair by yourself, you cannot do it. Just have the courage. Have the courage that you can do it. This is what this video show me, that whatever you want to do, you believe to yourself. Believe yourself that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve, and you will achieve it. I'm super proud of myself right now that I have made this hair. It had been long I'm thinking, how will I make this hair? There is one such a time I want to make my hair, but I was scared. I try my hand ink me. I say no. I try only two, I betray. The twins was so loose. The twins is not that tight, it's so loose. I say no. I take it down. I run to salon for them to install my hair. Just as whenever I go to salon to install my hair, I always be in charge of my hair. Yes, so I cannot allow them to do anyhow they want to do on my hair. I will tell them what to do and what they will not do to my hair, so that I will not go and install my hair and break off all the hair that I have suffered to grow with. So as now that I can install my hair by myself, as I can see that I can make this hair by myself, I will not go to salon again to install this hair. Even though the hair is not perfect, even though the hair is not come out so perfect, but I believe more, if I try more one time, it will be more perfect than this. Please comment down below, tell me what you think on this hair. At this point, my hair is almost finished. God, this is the second section of the hair, second part of this hair. I already make this hairstyle. I can't believe it that I did this hairstyle. I can't believe it. Please, at this point, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you are new in the channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you for always come back and watch my video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. This channel is all about challenge yourself, grow your hair without breaking the bank. So please stay tuned to the channel. Oh my goodness, now I'm full with joy. I'm full with joy. See my hair, make this my hair by myself. So I divide the hair, I collect the little portion, braid the roots, divide it into equal section, twins the hair. After twins the hair, I use my hand to coil the twins. This section is the last section in my hair. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. At this point now, the time say by after 11 p.m. this video, at this point of this video is after 11 p.m. I start late, and also I'm not focused on the hair, also taking care of my children, do one or two things. So at currently now is after 11, and I say no, I must finish this hair. That is me. Whatever I want to do, if I not finish that, and I will never give up. I say no, I must finish this hair before I sleep. Even it take me 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I must. Even it take me, I must finish it. That is me for you. I don't like doing work half done. No. I like see the end of any of my work I'm doing. So at this point now, I'm super proud of myself that I made this hair. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. At this point, I'm so tired. My hand is inky. My hand is so painful. Do you see the hair? Do you see the hair? Do you see the hair? Oh my goodness, this hair is giving. My first attempt of making my mini twins come out so sweet like this. I believe that my next one, it will be more perfection than this I make. Please tell me what you think about this, my story of my mini twins. Do you like it? The results come out well. I want to know what you think. Did I try? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video, like this video, comment down below. Let's chat. See you in my next video. Bye.